Okay, got all the tone board caps in. What I've done is I've inserted one lead and bent the over flush against the board. And what I'll do is I'll come in and I'll solder the one that's sticking straight up. I don't like the bent over leads, so I'll bend them. They work just fine sticking straight up. Once I get that lead soldered, I'll clip it and then I'll fold this one up. That keeps it from dropping out, and you can position the caps a little bit better on the board. But they are all installed, ready to roll. So, we'll start on a tone board and we'll move on. More as it goes. Okay, first pass I've gone through and I've soldered the one leg that was standing up on all the caps. I count my wires. I know I have 10 wires remaining. I clipped them off, and then I bent up these other ones. These were previously laid flat to hold them in. And now, so one leg of the cap is soldered in, one leg's out. I go to the top of the board. I make sure they're all standing up nice and straight, and just try to make it look neat. And now I will go through and finish the job. Snip off all the solder the remaining legs that are standing up, and then this board will be done. But I like to do that. You solder one side of the cap with one leg folded down. That you keep the leg up. You solder it, and then you snip the soldered piece, and then you fold the other piece back up, and then you solder, and you're good to go. I just don't like that folded down garbage. It's just too much work. And then of course I'll go through and make sure if I need to touch up any solder with a wick, maybe pull a little bit too much off from something else. But we're almost done with the tone board. More in a little bit. Okay, so the tone board's back in. All the wires are hooked back up. I don't know how this is going to come out, but anyway, there you have it. I was careful to make sure I wired up all these top pieces here and tried to get the lead dress all the same. You want to make sure that you don't have any exposed wiring that's shorting anything out. Use something like this to really go through and analyze the solder joints, make sure everything looks good and you haven't missed anything. And there you have it. So the tone board's done, and I'll be moving on to probably the main board over here, or I don't know, depending how motivated I am this playing football nights. Oh, well, you know what? I'll probably do this. I'll probably do this one next, since it's kind of loose. And I don't want to lose the screws. So we'll get this one next. More recapping fun to come. Okay, we're all back together. Got all the boards back in. Get a little more light on this thing. It's not very bright outside now. Maybe that might help a little bit. Put all the new caps in on the driver board. Got the all the caps installed there. Got the face plate cleaned up and reattached. Resoldered the, you can't see it very easily there, but resoldered the wires to the meter. Let's see what it looks like on the bottom. There's a second here. I don't know how well this is going to come out. Got all that reattached. The only thing I haven't done yet, I'm kind of waiting for the schematic to come in, is these dang jacked up looking caps here, which I have no chance of reading the value because the plastic is literally broken off. This can't be good. Okay, so I'm hesitant to do anything until I at least get these caps checked out and pulled out. and I should be getting that today, so I'll probably just wait. Comes in the mail. If not, I might just go for it and just variac it and check it and making sure nothing bad happens. But other than that, this project's just about done and ready to go. I'm kind of excited to try it out, to tell you the truth. Like I said, I generally don't work on solid state stuff, but I just really like the layout of this, the simplicity of it. Its build quality is very nice and very easy to work on, and this, I don't know, I just sort of like the idea of having a receiver that's not too base, that I don't have to worry about, you know, running too long or leaving it or having expensive tubes to work with, because most of my other stuff uses 6BQ5s or 7868s, which are fairly expensive output tubes and not easy to come by. So yeah, this will be a nice addition. I'll still have to do something about this cover. I'm hesitant to go out and try to spend the money to buy one. I know I probably can do that. I can probably just easily fabricate something, and frankly, who cares? It's not that big of a deal, as long as that transistor is protected from being shorted out. I think I did, I think I forgot to mention, I did test these. I'm pretty sure these are output capacitors. By the way, they're, you know, clearly I think they are, because one lead goes to the speaker fuse. But anyway, I did check them for leakage. They seemed okay, so I don't plan on replacing those unless there's a problem. And that's it. The HA Scott is nearly done, and hopefully on the next video we'll have speakers hooked up to it and be listening to it. More to come. Thank you for watching.